guys, good afternoon. We are here in Causeway Bay Flowers Shoe, guys. Tignan ninyo. Oh, ang ganda. Ayan. Kasama ko sila, guys. Ayan. Ayan, nandito kami sa Victoria Park, guys. Daming taong gagandang flowers. Flowers. May bayad. Ang gaganda, guys. Ang ganda.
It's almost like fake, huh?
But it's nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. Oh, 白蘭樹啊，意思白蘭樹見唔見啊？
係啊，細嘅，唔係細咁。
Mini rose?
This one is the Chinese.
係啊，
This one, the green leaf, big one.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
very smell and very long blossom. They sell by the cluster in the market in the
18蚊啊！
白蘭花。
Oh, guava, guava, ma'am, guava.
I know, but it's yeah, a lot.
Oh.
$180.
Wow. Okay. Video ko raw yung roses. Hindi, is that roses? No.
That one is roses, no?
No, ma'am. No. It's not a roses. Oh, a roses.
Yeah, these are roses. That is so cute. This one. Raspberry.
Yes. Yung berry, guys.
This one is for medicine, you know, 金銀花 for tea. Hey, Priscilla, 睇下呢個 raspberry 啊，嚟睇下呢個。
Wow. A lot of fruits, ma'am.
Yeah, I know. How much?
How much? It's Chinese.
It doesn't say.
Ah. Samsak, ma'am.
唔係，30 black
Ang gaganda, oh.
係啦，唔知㗎。
Oh. Guys, you see? Oh. Ang dami. Gusto niyang bumili yata. Asan na yung matanda ko? Doon muna ako. Tignan ninyo, guys. Oh. Ang gaganda. Oh. Yung sunflower. Nalanta na. Ang dami, guys. Super. Super. Ang gaganda ng mga flowers. Kunin ko na nga yung upuan sa matanda ko. Bindami ng mga orchids, guys. Oh. Oh. Tignan ninyo ang orchids. Oh. Ay, grabe. Please watch my video, beautiful friends. Andun sila.
佢哋想買嘢，咁你唔睇，你又唔知有嚟買。而家買咗啦嘛，你買㗎啦。抵到人哋 really 係嘅。Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
these are all the selling product. The exhibition is right in the middle.
Oh.
That's where the show is.
Okay.
So we should go in the middle.
in the middle.
Okay, let's go.
I mean, you see one, you see all of them.
Okay.
But Brioni wants
Yes,
to
ma'am.
wants to see the show. Yeah, this is a show that you should see.
Ang gaganda.
We should walk in and then we'll take a picture for you.
No need, ma'am. No need. Gusto pa nila akong kunan ng picture, guys. Ang ganda, oh. Ay, ang ganda yun. Oh. Talaga, daming nagpipicture, guys. Daming nagbibideo, ma'am. Ah! You go there, ma'am.
No, you go.
Pinapapunta nila ako dito. Ang gaganda talaga. Oh, tignan ninyo, guys. Oh, mga Daisy. Ang daming nagpipicturan, guys. Ayan, oh. Oh. Mamaya may show, guys. May show siya. Please watch my beautiful video, guys. Ah. Tignan ninyo to, oh. Grabe, ang ganda. Picture nga rin ako. Ano ba? Guys, look at this. Blueberries. Blueberries. Oh. It's a blueberries.
But you want to walk outside. Maybe they have a plant there.
Okay. Nakita ng amo kong babae, guys. So,
When we buy the soil, if we see blueberry, we'll buy it.
yes, ma'am. Oh. 2026 Kuswebe Flower Shop, guys. Please welcome and watch my video. Beautiful friends. See, tignan ninyo yung mga yan. Oh. Lahat gawa ng bulaklak, guys. Yan. Very bulaklak, guys. Doon naman yung
This is what I like,
Ma'am?
climbing roses. I don't like.
climbing
I
roses.
don't like the, the stiff one. I like the ones of the trellis. This is so nice.
Oh. Roses. Super. Ayan. Ang dami talaga, guys. Ayun, doon, oh. Ang sila. Tulip. Is it tulip? Yeah. The tulip. Ayan, ang gaganda ng tulip, guys, oh. Hala?
No, you go take a picture.
Ang gaganda.
That's roses.
Yes, ma'am.
The tulips is there.
There. Tignan ninyo ang tulips, guys. Ang dami. Ooh. Oh, sorry. Ooh. Grabe, guys. Hong Kong Flower Show, guys. Hong Kong Flower Show 2026. Ayan. Kita ninyo. Okay na okay ang mga amo natin, guys. Inuutusan pa nila akong mag-video. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Oh. Ayan. Hong Kong Flower Show 2026. Causeway Bay, Victoria Park. Ayan, guys. Okay. Thank you for watching, beautiful friends. Sumusubra na tayo. Sumusubra na tayo, guys. Ayan. Sobrang ganda ang mga flowers.
I see.
Oh, here is the concert, ma'am. Ah, my concert.
What is this? India. Wait. Indonesia. So sad, yeah. Very sad.
Very sad daw. Very sad daw yun.
哋坐樓上，都要睇啊！呢度澳門啊！
Bye-bye na! Thank you for watching. Ma'am.
Look at this morning glory.
Morning glory.